today, let's learn the first tone. But please make sure you practice with me one by one. So here, today we're going to start from the first tone. And as you can see, the first tone is a flat tone. It's a flat tone. The first tone is a flat tone. Here, as I said, the first tone is a high flat. You can see is flat. As you can see that is very flat. It doesn't change. It doesn't change. And as you can see, it's very smooth, right? Just remember one English word. Maybe. Maybe is really like the first tone. You know, it's very close. Maybe. It's like maybe, right? So as you can see here, and also relatively is the high tone. As you can see that is the highest pitch. Is the highest, you know, like the loudest and the longest. You know, it's a bit long and it's also very loud, right? But you can just speak on your normal vocal range, okay? So as you can see from here, what is you understand? Number one, it's on your highest pitch. It means that you speak very loud, and also you speak bit long when you are practicing, like it's bit long, as you can see. Can you practice with me? Let's go. I'm going to give you about 6 examples that how to practice. All right, let's come here. Number one, you know, airplane. Do you know how to say in Chinese? We say fei ji, fei ji. Chinese characters is one by one character to another character that forms one word, right? But here let's say fei, you see, fei ji. You can see the sound is fei ji. You see, fei ji. Read after me. Fei ji. Make sure that that's what we call flat tone. It's very flat. And remember, you need to make it a bit long, okay, and loud. Long and loud and flat. Just keep these 3 principles, okay? Long, loud, and flat. Right. So fei ji, very flat. The second one, do you know how to say today? Today in Chinese we say 今天. Please remember what we are practicing is the sound, the tone mark on the top. This is what we are practicing today, okay? So remember how to say today. We say 今. You see, 今. Repeat after me. 亲. Remember, make sure it's flat, long, right? And also loud, right? 今天. Tian, you see, 天. 今天. Fei ji. Read after me. Fei ji. 今天. 今天. All right. So how do we say Brazil? Brazil in Chinese we say 巴西. 巴西. Let me break down for you. We say 巴西. 巴西. Repeat after me. 巴西. Do you see the when I say maybe, and 巴西, they look very, very close sound range, right? 巴西. 今天. Fei ji. The key point is this sound, okay? Key point we are practicing today is the sound, okay? Please remember that. And here, how do we say sky? In Chinese, we say tian, tian. See, tian kong, tian. See, tian kong, tian kong. Read after me. Tian. You know, like it's, you know, the first tone is, I just call the sweet tone. You know, like tian kong. It's just like flat. Guys, if you really want to practice perfectly for the first tone, you need to always remember the first principle. Make sure it's flat. You know, your sound, make sure it's flat. Make sure that you are speaking loud. The third one is you're speaking, you know, like a bit long. Remember that, okay? So, tian kong, tian kong, ba xi. You know, the beginning, you know, at the beginning, it looks like it's not, you make it light. At the beginning, all of them is a bit light, you know, like make it light. But at the second word, you make it much stronger. Like, for example, like fei, ji. The G is like you're making a bit long. But the first one, you're making it like light, make it a bit light, right? So, tian, kong, right? The fifth one is san. How do we say restaurant in Chinese? We say san ting, san, san ting, san ting, san ting. You see, san ting is very sweet, right? San ting. You say san, right? San ting, ting, right? San ting, tian kong, ba xi. And the last one is called refrigerator. Do you know how to say refrigerator in Chinese? We say bin xiang, bin xiang, bin xiang, bin xiang. So let's review one time. The last minute. Fei ji, fei ji, qing tian, qing tian, ba xi, ba xi, tian kong, tian kong, san ting, san ting,冰箱，冰箱。